Good morning, everybody. Kevin here from HumboldtCraftworks. Welcome to another episode of Woodworking with Mr. Kevin. Today we're going to do one little tiny itty-bitty little tip on bandsaw use, how to make a relief cut. I use this all the time because I'm lazy and I don't like to change the blade on my bandsaw because it's a pain in the butt. And if you don't have a lot of blades or you're just lazy like me, this will help you out immensely. Maybe you've seen it, maybe you haven't. Let me know in the comments below if you have. All right, everybody, let's get to the video. It's going to be a short one, just perfect for all the people who only watch for 3 minutes. And here we go. You're welcome. I'll see you soon. Bye. All right, everybody, well, I was just cutting this out. I think I was too lazy to change out my blade. This is like a half-inch blade, maybe. And usually to cut out little tiny circles like this, you need something smaller, 1/4 inch to actually get it to turn in 3/4 inch plywood. So I'm going to show you how I go about doing it. So maybe you've seen this done a bunch of times, I don't know. Now what we're going to do is a series of relief cuts. So this is for the double pullouts. The client wanted a little happy face in there, so I'm going to put it in there. And I have one large one that I'm going to cut right now. What you do is you do a series of relief cuts, and especially around the circle here. So I'm going to start by making all the straight cuts I need all the way through here, and then we're going to cut through. And this is so if you have a wide blade like this one is here, and you don't have any other blades, you could still cut circles and make them look like this, you know. All right, you guys ready? All right, we got the dust collector on, and usually I have this blade guard down farther, but so you guys can see it, I raised it up. Series of straight cuts first. All right there. And we're just going to cut it every couple of inches. Uh-oh, I had to take the fence off. That's offensive. And this last little bit right here. Now that we've done that, we're going to come from this point over here. We'll get right into that line. Okay, remove all that. Okay, that was kind of fun. Now we're going to come back this way. Clean this up as best we can. All right, now we're going to put a series of relief marks in here, just like this. I'm going all the way to the line. Now we can relieve it like this. And we get a little closer. Okay, now we can just grind them off like this and grind them down. We're just using the side of the blade to grind it off. You can go either direction. Just like that. So we'll cut this off here. And we can just come in here. All right, there you go. You got to watch the back stuff. Back here it gets kind of chippy sometimes. You know, it gets stuck in a little crack there where the plate is. But yeah, that's just, there you go. Pretty simple to do. If you have a bandsaw and you can't afford to get a bunch of different blades, or you're just too lazy to change it like I am, you know, you can always grind it like that using the blade. It'll work either direction. You don't always have to cut like this with a bandsaw. You can cut on an angle like that. All right, there you go. Be safe out there. We'll see you next time. All right, everybody. Well, there you go. Short, sweet, and simple. Hope you learned something. If you did, give me the old thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, like, hit the notification bell. You have an awesome day. Go outside and play. Hug somebody you love. Be safe out there, and I'll see you next time right here on Woodworking with Mr. Kevin. Short and sweet. I think they have to be this way from now on because I've got lots of tips for chop saws and table saws and all sorts of things. I just don't have any time to make them, so I'm making them at like 5:30 in the morning just to get them done before I go to work. And there you go. Thanks for watching. I hope you learned something, and I'll see you soon. Bye.
Subscribe now.